Have you ever sat in front of your computer, pondering over the intricate world of hacking? How do these digital wizards navigate through a maze of codes, breaking barriers, and unveiling secrets? Well, the answer isn't as cryptic as it seems. It's a journey, a process, and today we dive deep into this fascinating world. Imagine hacking as an art, a science, a game of chess where strategy, patience, and skills are your best allies. To become a hacker, you need to master these three aspects. Firstly, let's talk about the art of hacking. It's about understanding the beauty of the digital world, the intricate web of codes that make up our modern lives. It's about learning programming languages like Python, Java, and C++. These are the brushes, the paints, the canvas of your art. But remember, it's not just about learning these languages. It's about understanding them, knowing their strengths, their weaknesses, and using them to your advantage. Next, we delve into the science of hacking. This is where you learn about computer systems, networks, and security protocols. You need to comprehend how these systems work, how they communicate, and how they protect their data. It's like learning about the human body before becoming a doctor. You need to know the anatomy of a computer system to exploit its vulnerabilities. Then comes the game of strategy. Hacking isn't just breaking through barriers, it's about finding the weakest link, the loophole, the back door. It's about being patient, waiting for the right moment, and then striking with precision. It's about thinking multiple steps ahead, anticipating the opponent's moves. But wait, there's more to becoming a hacker than just mastering these skills. There's a moral compass that you need to follow. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use your skills for the greater good, to protect, not to harm. To be a white hat hacker, not a black hat. To summarize, becoming a hacker is a journey that involves mastering the art of programming, understanding the science of computer systems, and playing the strategic game of finding vulnerabilities. But above all, it's about following a moral compass, using your skills for the right cause. So next time when you sit in front of your computer, remember it's not just a machine. It's a world full of possibilities, a canvas for you to paint, a game for you to play, a body for you to heal. And you are the artist, the scientist, the strategist, the doctor. You are the hacker.